Jaya, what are you doing? You're playing with your makeup? Is this your lip gloss? You're gonna put on your lip gloss? Pull. Here, look in the mirror. Watch what you're doing. Look in the mirror. Remember how Mommy showed you to look in the mirror? Look. Oh, look at your lip gloss. Ooh, pretty. Jay, you look so pretty, Momo. Look at those pretty lips. Look in this mirror. Ooh, look. Look at my baby. You're so pretty, Mama. Okay, I think that's enough lip gloss. Jay, that's probably good. Put it up where it goes. Oh, where's the case? Uh-oh. Do you have it? Oh, here it is. Can you put it up? Ooh, pretty. Good job. Oh, look at you, Mama. You're such a big girl. Ooh. Look at that baby. Oh, you're so pretty, Mama.
Mommy, baby.
Yeah. Ooh. I think you have enough lip gloss, baby.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. I think you have enough lip gloss on, Mama. Jaya Boo, I think you're wearing enough lip gloss. Do you need help? Let me see. Here you go. Here. Go. Go. Woohoo! There you go. Wow. Do you need your mirror?
Yeah.
Oh. Yay! It's the same one. Here. You like the pink one better? Here you go. Pretty. Good job. Yeah, so pretty. No, not that one. Oh, you putting your powder on? Ooh, Mama, don't put that on. That one doesn't go in your mouth. That one goes like this on your cheeks. Like this. Ooh. Here. That's how it goes. Here. Is that tickly? Is that tickly? You need to put some on Mommy? Yes. Aww, that's so nice. Can you do this side? You gonna do that side? Oh, thank you. Okay. That's for tattoos. You wanna open it? Don't put that on your face. You gotta do a tattoo like on my picture. Remember on Mommy's foot? Ooh, pretty. Or your toes? Remember to do your toes. Here, you want that? Don't put it on your face, Mama. Don't put it on your face. It's for coloring your toes. Jaya, don't put that on your face. You're gonna get in trouble. Yeah, good girl. Don't you put that on your face. If you do that, your face will fall off.